that the Wyddfa? Is that on the Wyddfa? Or is that one?
Nah.
Are we in Wales still?
Oh, is that the Yr Wyddfa then? Or...
What are you doing here? Hello, I'm Dom.
And I'm Lloyd. We're friends.
Snowdonia is amazing. The people who are filming this corporate video told me to say that. You're saying go down, we're not supposed to go up. It's high, the mountain's high, we're going low. They also told me to say that 5 million people every... 4 million people every year visit Snowdonia. Where are we? Hello?
If you want to climb Snowdon, the UK's sexiest mountain, you should definitely pre-book your space at Penner Pass car park, Snowdon's hottest car park destination.
Don't just turn up and park your car on the side of the road, okay?
Alternatively, you can park here in the beautiful mountain town of Llanberis in one of its many huge car parks.
This is where I would come
To park.
to park.
To park, definitely.
Because you already know what coming to pick you up. Come on now, tell me.
Don't tell me it's the Sherpa bus.
It's the Sherpa bus. It's the Sherpa bus, brother. What are you talking about? Get it out. Come on now. From here, you can take the wonderful Sherpa bus service. It's crazy, mate. It's absolutely beautiful. It's supposed to be crazy.
The Sherpa bus stops at most of the major car parks and all of the tourist attractions in the area. It runs once every 15 minutes during the summer. Excited, Dom?
Can't wait, to be honest with you. It's supposed to be a journey. Sherpa bus. Google it, baby.
Do you have any idea where we are, or?
No, I told you this. Did you know that 50% of the people who come here to walk come on the weekend? And I'm not trying to be at the top of the mountain queuing to see everything that I want to see.
If you can, try and come in the weekdays and outside of school holidays if possible.
Why am I listening to you? I told my girlfriend as well that I didn't want to come with you.
No.
Ah, man, I'm going. Ah, you've made it. Snowdon. You're finally out in the open air and you can really start to discover the true beauty of Snowdonia. I hope you're wearing a proper pair of walking boots. Do you know them grooves?
I think those
for
grooves,
mountains.
they're for more downhill. It's mad that we have to say it really, but don't wear flip-flops or trainers or anything stupid like that. You're about to walk up a mountain.
Wear boots.
Make sure you're dressed appropriately for the conditions and have prepared. Check the weather. Is that thunder or jet?
That is definitely thunder.
And wear the right clothing.
Bring some snacks, some drinking water.
Also, take every piece of rubbish away with you. Please do not litter and please don't make a mess.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Pick it up, take it with you. If you're planning a visit to Snowdonia and want some more info, visit the link on the screen.
Or you can search Plan, Discover, Protect.